Well, Fabio and I went for our usual walk this morning around the block. It was nice. And then we came home. It's a Sunday, quiet afternoon. Nothing much going on. Monday, of course, will be busy. I've got some errands to run. But today it's take it easy time. Nothing like the sound of a Zippo, hey? In a constantly changing world, we don't. Was ist mit der kleinen Hund? Was ist mit der kleinen Hund? Was ist mit der kleinen Hund? Oh my God, don't bite me. Don't bite me. Sure, I think about all the crazy going on over in America these days. I wish there was something I could do about it, but I can't, and I'm not going to drive myself crazy.